Hello all. Welcome to online learning program of MSBTE Learning at Your Doorstep. I am Professor Deepak Kulkarni from KVM Polytechnic Mumbai, working as Head of Electronics and Telecommunication Department. Welcome you all to the presentation on Digital Factory, where we will focus on Internet of Things. After completion of the presentation, the learners would be able to understand the principles of IoT used in given application and the functions of various elements of IoT system. After the end of presentation, the students can attempt the following questions. In this presentation, we will cover what is IoT working, and what are the functions of components of IoT. Now let us recall what is IoT. IoT, also called as Internet of Things, is a network of physical objects or things which are embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and network connectivity, which enables the objects to collect and exchange data. IoT is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, objects, animals, or people that are provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human-to-human or human-to-computer interaction. That is, IoT is an interaction between the physical and digital worlds by using sensors and actuators. Now let us see the IoT working. The IoT working depends on the various components. On the first level, we have sensors, which are also called as things or devices. The second component that is used is a gateway. The third one is a cloud. The fourth component used is analytics. And the fifth component used in IoT subsystem is a user interface. Now let us see the functions of these components in detail. The first component in IoT system is a sensor. Sensors are the components of device connectivity layer. These smart sensors are continuously collecting data from the environment and transmit the information to the next layer. Latest techniques in the semiconductor technology is capable of producing smart sensors for various applications. A device can have multiple sensors bundled together for sensing different parameters. Common sensors as per the applications are temperature sensors and thermostats, pressure sensors, humidity or moisture level sensors, light intensity detectors, moisture sensors, proximity detection, and RFID tags. The selection of the sensors or devices depends upon the application that is getting built up. As we can see in this figure, various sensors are available for detection of various parameters, which can include voice, which can include the music, sensors for smart home applications, sensors for transportation, sensors for medical healthcare centers. Various sensors are available for determination of various physical parameters. So the information by the sensors can be given to the next level. The next component is the connectivity of the devices, which is one of the most important parameter. Smart devices and sensors can be connected to the low power wireless networks like Wi-Fi, Zigbee, Bluetooth, Z-Wave, LoRaWAN, etc. In some cases, a wired connection can be also preferred. Each of these wireless technologies will have its own advantages and disadvantages in terms of power, data transfer rate, and overall efficiency. Developments in the low power, low cost wireless transmitting devices are promising in the area of IoT due to its long life, battery, and efficiency. Based upon the power requirement, data transfer rate required, and the efficiency of the application, typical connectivity can be selected between the devices. At this level, students can attempt MCQ Set 1 given in formative assessment. The next component in the IoT system is a gateway. A IoT gateway can connect IoT devices that communicate through specific protocols. The function of gateway is to pass the information to the cloud servers for processing and analysis. Adding intelligent and embedded control to the gateways can simplify IoT device design by providing access to shared processing resources. IoT gateways have evolved to perform many tasks from simple data filtering to visualization and complex analytics. The smart devices are helping power the current wave of IoT expansion. IoT Gateway not only abstracts the medium of communication but also provides the secure channel that is required for transmission of the data. Hardware and software level encryption is built into the gateway to provide a secure channel. As we can see in this figure, the gateway is a middle layer between the devices and clouds that protect the system from malicious attacks and unauthorized accesses. So between the cloud and the sensors, the gateway acts as an intermediate device or as a bridge between the devices. The next component in a IoT system is a cloud. Internet of Things creates massive data from devices, applications and users which has to be managed in an efficient way. IoT Cloud offers tools to collect, process, manage and store huge amount of data in real time. Industries and services can access this data remotely and make critical decisions when necessary. Cloud system integrates billions of devices, sensors, gateways, protocols, data storage and provides predictive analysis. Companies use this analytics for improvements of products and services, preventive measures for certain steps and build their new business model accurately. Industries and services can be accessed this data remotely and make critical decisions whenever are required. The next component is analytics. Analytics is the process of converting analog data from billions of smart devices and sensors into useful insights which can be interpreted and used for detailed analysis. Smart analytics solutions are inevitable for IoT system for management and improvement of entire system. The major advantage of efficient IoT system is a real-time smart analytics which help engineers to find out irregularities in the collected data and acts fast to prevent an undesired scenario. That means the analysis is done and the action is taken before the unavoidable circumstances are practically evolved. This is said to be the predictive analysis. The next component is a user interface. User interfaces are the visible part of IoT system which can be easily accessible by users. Designers will have to make a well-designed interface for minimum effort for users and encourage more interactions. Modern technologies offer much interactive design to ease complex tasks into simple touch panels controls. Multi-color touch panels have replaced hard switches in our household appliances, and the trend is increasing for almost every smart home devices. User interface design has a higher significances in today's competitive market. It determines the user whether to choose a particular device or appliance. Users will be interested to buy a new device or smart gadgets if it is very user friendly and compatible with a common wireless standard. At this level, students can attempt MCQ set 2. So at the end of the presentation, users have understood the way functions of various components that are used in IoT. The Internet of Things has been evolving ever since it started its journey few years back. New technologies and protocols joins IoT ecosystem to make it more accessible, cost effective, energy efficient and most importantly secure. We will witness a continuous development in IoT due to huge demands in different sectors. So thank you and have a smart learning.